Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a game application and how you can monetize game application using Unity ads. Guys, here you can see my game application and here you can see Unity ads. I'm going to share with you a step by step. You do not need to worry about any kind of skills and experience. No worry about coding knowledge. I'm going to share with you beginner friendly method. You can make game application without coding knowledge. Here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on Google and you can search your coin. You can click here to visit on this URL. You will then come to this page. You can click on web dev button. Now first of all, you will have to create account on this website. Click on sign up button. Now you can type here your full name. You can type here your email address, password. You can read and accept your terms of service. At last, you can click on create account button. You can also continue with Google. In next step, what you will have to do is, you can type your prompt. You can type here this kind of simple prompt. Make a best game. Add scores, labels, and interesting enemies, power, coins, sounds. Also add codes for mobile users. You can type here this kind of simple prompt. Now you can click on this button. Now you need to wait some time. This AI platform will generate HTML code for game application. Here you can see HTML code for game application. You can click on preview button. Here you can see game. Now you can click here to copy this HTML code. Guys, this AI platform can make different games on this prompt. Guys, I have used the same prompt. That AI platform has made different game. Here you can see this game. Now let me show you how you can use this HTML code to make game application. You can simply click here to copy this HTML code. Now in next step, what you will have to do is, you can go on Google, you can search your app creator 24. You can visit on this URL. Guys, this is a best platform. You can use this platform to make application. You can also show advertisements on your application. Here you can see this platform gets more than 5 million daily users. Here you can see some screenshots. You can make videos, application, music, radio, chat, forms, games, quizzes, and much more. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can type here your name. You can select here your country. You can type here your email address, password. You can read and accept your terms of service. At last, you can click on this button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create app button. Now you can type your app name. Now you can upload your app icon. You can click on choose file button to upload your own app icon. You can also choose from gallery. Here you can see there are a lot of app icons. You can choose any of this app icon. Now you can select your language. You can type your app description. You can type here this kind of app description. You can use ChatGPT platform to generate app name and app description. Now you can click on next button. Click on next button. Click on create an empty app button. Click on go to app manager button. You can click on design. Click on menu type button. You can select here this option. Click on save button. Now click on sections. Click on create section button. You can choose your HTML option. Now click here, click on next button. You can type your section title. You can type your app name. Now you can paste your HTML code of game application. Here is showing HTML code of game application. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can paste here that HTML code. Click on save button. Now you can click on ads button. Guys, here you can see monetization options. You can monetize this game with AdMob, AppNext, Star.io, UnityAds, monetize, Montag. If you want to monetize your app with AdMob, then you can paste your banner ads unit ID of AdMob. You can paste your interstitial ads unit ID of AdMob. I'm going to monetize this app with Unity ads. You can paste your game ID. You can paste your placement ID. You can go on Google. You can search your Unity ads. You can visit on this URL. Guys, Unity is a most popular platform. You can use this platform to monetize your app. You can monetize your game. Here you can see project overview. You can get amazing results with Unity ads. Here you can see ads performance. Here you can see revenue. Here you can see eCPM. Here you can see impression. Here you can see fill rate. Let me show you how you can use Unity ads. You can click on Start Now button. It will then take you to this page. You can click on Create an Account button. You can continue with Google, continue with Apple, or you can click on this button. You can type here your email address. You can type here your full name. You can type your password. You can read and accept your terms of service. At last, you can click on Create Account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on Monetization button. Now you can click on Add App button. Guys, if your app is listed on App Store, then you can paste your store URL. My app is not on App Store. I'm going to select this option. Now type your app name. You can select your platform. This game is for Android users. Select your project. I have not added project yet. Click on Add Project button. Type your project name. You can type your app name. Now you can click on this button. You can select your No option. Click on Add App button. Now in next step you will have to create placements. You can click on placements button. Click on create placement button. You can select here your app. Guys, I have recently added this app. I'm going to select this app. Click on continue button. You can select your ad format. Banner ads, interstitial ads, rewarded ads. Click on next button. Guys, here you can see placements. Here you can see game ID. Here you can see placement ID. You can click here to copy this game ID. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can click on ads button. Here you can see Unity ads game ID option. You can paste here your game ID. You can scroll down. You can paste your game ID. You can scroll down. Here you can see rewarded video ads. You can paste here your game ID. Now in next step you will have to paste your placement ID. You can go on Unity ads. Here is showing placement ID for banner ads. You can click here to copy this placement ID. Now go on App Creator 24 platform. You can paste your placement ID. Now you can scroll down. You can paste your placement ID for interstitial ads. Go on Unity Ads platform. You can click here to copy this placement ID. Now go on App Creator 24 platform. You can paste your interstitial ads placement ID. You can scroll down. You can paste your rewarded video ads placement ID. Go on Unity Ads. You can click here to copy this placement ID. Now go on App Creator 24 platform. You can paste your placement ID. Okay, after completing it, you can click on Save button. Yeah, here we go. Now everything is done. In next step, you can download this application. You can click on download app button. Here you can see app name. Here you can see app description. Here you can see app icon. Here you can see download button. You can click here to download this application in APK format. Or you can scan this code to download this application in APK format. You can run this application in your Android device. Using this method, you can make different game application. You can monetize your game application with Unity ads. Unity platform can show advertisements on your application. For that advertisements, Unity platform can credit your account. It's very simple to make game application. You can monetize your game application with Unity ads. After making game application, you can publish your game application on App Stores. Like you can publish your game on Play Store. Amazon App Store, Oppo App Store, Vivo App Store, Samsung Galaxy and many more. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.